Hey guys, I'm Uni. Please call me Uni. I introduce Japanese stuff is a convenience stores lunch box. It's this. Soy sauce, hiroshima greens, fried rice, and sanzoku yaki chicken. Sanzoku yaki means it's seasoned pepper. It seasons pepper. Okay, it's interesting. Yeah, let's open it. Well, okay, let's open it. Oh, I was able to open easily. Look, this is sanzoku yaki. This sauce is made from soy sauce, sugar, a lot of various spices, hiroshima greens, fried rice. They also called it's called chahan, yakimeshi. This is sanzoku yaki. A lot of pepper on the lot of pepper is seasoned, then pepper on the chicken. Oh, wow! How cute boy salad! How cute! Okay. Oh, some pasta. Okay. Yeah, let's try it. It looks so delicious. Oh. It's tasty. It's tasty, but I forget to heat up this lunch box with microwave. I forgot to heat up this microwave. Okay, I heat it up with microwave. Here, that's it. It's so hot. It's so hot. Yay. This sounds yaki. Oh. It's so yummy. Salty chicken. It's so salty. Very soft chicken. Alright. Sanzoku yaki with hiroshima greens and rice, fried rice. It tastes soy sauce and spice and hiroshima greens, you know, right? Pickle. Hiroshima greens pickle. Probably salt and spice, red pepper. Preserved with salt, pepper, and various spices You potato, cutie potato. Mm. 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 Mayonnaise, it tastes mayonnaise, so mayonnaise. Mm-hmm. So volumy. If you eat, are satisfied so much. It's so volumy, right? Lunchbox. Taxing 198. Yeah. It it's reasonable. It's reasonable. Oh. Wait. Sparkling water. Okay, thank you for convenience lunchbox is always improving. And you, and this it's enjoy everyone and look test. It's awesome. If you come to Japan, you need to try it. It will be tasty, it will be nice, it will be so fun. Okay, thank you for watching my damn video and see you next time.